Hello, I'm David Smith. I'm a commercial skipper with Halcyon Yachts. Welcome to the COVID-19 yachting and boating quiz. I've put together a quiz with Halcyon and there's 21 questions and some of them are fiendishly difficult. A bit of fun. So we'll run the presentation of the quiz. I'll give a few clues along the way and we will post the answers a couple of days after this video runs. So good luck, enjoy the quiz, and hopefully we'll all be going sailing soon. I live in Edinburgh and that may influence some of the questions. Question number 1, where is this? It is an archipelago. It has the highest sea cliffs in the UK and it's a spectacular place to visit as a yachtsman. So question number 2, what's the country of registration? We were asked by some people, we were greeted with buongiorno and we had to point out to them that that was wrong. Question number 3, where's this marina? You can see Marks and Spencer and Boots in the background. But where is it? Question number 4, the 3-masted boat in the background cost £350 million. It's 8 stories high. It's a sailing boat. What's its name? And do you know where it is? But just want the name of the boat. Designed by Philippe Starck. Question number 5. What kind of yacht is this? This particular one is called Rainbow. And when we were in Bermuda crossing the Atlantic, she sailed into St George's Harbour and is absolutely gorgeous. Question number 6. What port is this? This screenshot was midnight, so we had to make our way through an enormous fishing fleet. So where is the port? Question number 7. Name the lighthouse. This is the oldest working lighthouse in the world and was built by the Romans. Where is it? Question number 8. What kind of cardinal mark is this? You've got 4 to choose from, and this particular one has a name. What is the name and what kind of cardinal mark is it? Question number 9. Name this knot. Question number 10. Name the yacht these two are sitting on. That's me on the left and that's my hero on the right. And sometimes you get tongue-tied when you meet someone whose biography you've read or whose film biography you've watched. But this was just a great guy to spend an evening in Les Sables d'Olonne talking away. Brilliant bloke. What's the name of the boat? Question number 11. Everybody knows this is Stuart Tate, one of the crew from Halcyon. But who's the lady he's with? He was an early sponsor of her entry in the Golden Globe race, and this was her setting off from Les Sables d'Olonne, and we met up with her on the pontoon. What's her name? Question number 12. One of 2 canals. This is the first one. Which canal is this? This is us in a 45-foot Moody, making our way Back to the UK, following some very big ships in this canal. What's the name of the canal? Question 13. What's the name of this canal? It's only about 4 kilometres long, it's not very long, and it was originally started by the Emperor Nero. But what is the name of this canal? Question 14. Name the boat. The clue is it's a paddle steamer, a seagoing paddle steamer, and it's clearly in reverse at this point, having sprung off a pier. What's the name of the boat? "15. Where is this landmark?" Question 16. This is a J-class boat. There's a J in the sails. But what's its name? So, name of the boat. It's a J-class. "17. What's going on here?" This was the home to a car transporter for a while, but something special is going on here. What is it? Question 18. Where is this? It's in the Mediterranean somewhere. Question 19. Rule of the road. What kind of boat is this? What kind of boat is this? Just from the light configuration. Number 20. What is this marking? I always think of it a bit like Dennis the Menace, which is quite apt. But if you see a mark like this, what's it telling you? 21. Final question. What are these? The one on the left, if you don't have it up when you go through Germany and you need one, the police will come out and fine you. And the other one, we should all know what that is. You see them a lot in yacht master exams because it's often the only time you'll see them. But we should put them up. So that's the end of the quiz. In a few days' time, Halcyon will post up the answers to the quiz.